meghalayapost.news.
Yeah, these pipes will be realigned or again put here only, or they could take it from because this pipe is not meant for the market area. It is goes to PB.
No, do one thing. You call meeting with the municipal.
Myntri Rangbah Haba kondot ki sangma mentaka sengi Haba Leit Jurip ya ke jinglong jingman ke Iewduh ha shelong ke bre ke wei na ke yo ke bahe tam ha ke jela ke bela kenem jakpo ya dak lakngot kilong yeng ki ba im jakpo na kan ke yo ha ke jingle Jurip laksana lang du sembut Myntri Rangbah ba Presiden Tensong ki officer na ketanat urban municipal PHE wat kiwe di ketanat rekam ke sarkar ke bela sakhi ha ke ni jingle Jurip Myntri Rangbah kondot ki sangma ula Shah slop ya ladi ha ke bela sakhi ba ka klik jingu ke laje wala penan kam ke jaket ya dah slop aba keren skilap thai bor Myntri Rangbah ula yathu bakadau ke bapulong yu ban Jurip ya kani ke Iewduh kalong ban pej ya ke jinglong jingman ban Pynbha ya kani ke yo hakaba ke sarkar gelade ban mang ndriu klur tingka ban menta kan samang sakhasan klur ban penitnat ya kani ke yo kebre ke wei na ke yo ke belarim tam ha ke jela.
Today, along with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong and our Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo and the Pynbha and all the other officials of different departments, we had visited Iewduh market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired, and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen, and next maybe a couple of months we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths, we will put them under duck, and then we will redo the entire footpath and will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realize that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Iewduh. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Iewduh market area directly and indirectly. And therefore it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we have come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Iewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Iewduh market.
meghalayapost.news.